This past year I was the only woman on my crew. Like years before there's been 2 or 3, but I'm just really excited to get more women in fire.
My interest in this program is fuels and prescribed burns, and it's been a really awesome experience.
I'm 37 years old. I've always wanted to do firefighting. I decided to try something new.
I've learned so much about fire. I had a lot of fun, and I will be applying next year.
Emily, Bend, Oregon.
I'm Hannah, I'm from Driggs, Idaho. Melissa, Salt Lake City.
Danielle, Salt Lake City.
River, Richmond, Virginia.
Emma, Marin County. Olivia, Olympia, Washington.